¿Estás ahí? A ver, Polo, ¿qué hacemos?
No, pues
¿Am I there too?
va por buen camino, ya menos lo termina, ¿verdad?
Y no, a México, güey. Digo que llama el carro, burro. We're fixing the. You have to describe what we're doing because people want to find out what damage es que esa fiera no cerraba. You have to talk. People don't know what you're saying.
Un estilo nuevo.
Okay. We had a problem with this this one here. It wouldn't close. So what we did, went ahead and checked this cable here, which was broken. It wouldn't hold the lock. It goes like this. Okay, so what we did, we did something special. This is your hood. It'll lock firm. So we do, we're gonna try and get a cable that runs to the bottom. It's flashing. You did? So we have to go this way. So the way to do it, you run a cable through here to the bottom. It snaps. See? So all your U-tools out there, you can lock your car. If you're smart enough, you run a cable, you hide it, so nobody will steal your car. Por lo que sí, you can put it through here, through the side of the tire. Put it like that, and open up the hood. Or you can run a cable through here too, little cable with the little head. Snap it. How many minutes? So this is so I go ahead, open it, pump it right up, no hesitates, opens up.
Mejor seguridad.
Okay, we're working on what size is this engine?
It's a 1.6.
1.6 Honda. As you can see, flash the engine. 1.6. It even has a small ass battery. Good for nothing. It's not good for base. That'll suck up all the juice right away. The engine, it's well maintained. Small engine, it's not very big. Has a small intake. Hope you guys like all the videos I'm bringing up here. I do it because people help me to do my job, so I help everybody to do the J job. Hopefully anybody out there who wants to fix this kind of Honda, this cover comes out like that. So there's no problem, you just snap it off. Snap it off. You get a 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Like that. Hold it up. 10. Okay. This is the part. This is the problem right here. This was too hard. And then this cable here goes in like this, and it backs it up and opens it up.